Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And Microsoft has been talking about the contextual menus in Windows 11 and how they are slower to appear than on Windows 10. And they say that it's a problem that has to do with the extensions that they've added to the context menu. So, what are extensions? Well, an example that I'll show you here. I'll take one of my videos and I'll right click the video, and notice that it was not instant. It actually had kind of a two-part loading. So if I do it again, now it is instant because I already did it, but on the first try, that portion at the bottom took a little more time to appear than the one at the top. And this is actually even easier to see on older, slower PCs. Now, the reason for that is all of this added stuff here. Microsoft says that the extensions like Ask Copilot, Edit with Clipchamp, and so on are adding extra time for the load times to happen, because it has to look at what type of file it is and choose the correct, extensions depending on what file you want to open. So that was a good idea for them at the beginning, but they are saying that now they realize that it slows down the contextual menus a lot. And so they are going to work, and in a near future, we will have a much simpler contextual menu that does not have all of this extra here. And they say that that menu will be way faster than what we have now. So if you do find these to appear and take a long time to appear, or even on slower PCs, you might notice that it's dreadfully slow to have that context menu appear. Microsoft is fixing it. They say that they will be simplifying all the contextual menus to make sure that they actually appear as fast as possible in a near future. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.